Title: How to Get Started with Investing in Digital Currencies. Script: Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll discuss how to get started with investing in digital currencies. Digital currencies, also known as cryptocurrencies, have become increasingly popular over the years. They offer a new way to store and transfer value without relying on traditional financial institutions. If you're interested in investing in digital currencies, the first step is to do your research. You should learn about the different types of cryptocurrencies, their features, and their potential risks and rewards. Once you've done your research, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. An exchange is a platform that allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. There are many exchanges to choose from, so it's important to choose one that's reputable and has a good track record. There are many After you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account and fund it to fiat currency. Fiat currency is traditional currency like the US dollar or the euro. Once your account is funded, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. It's important to note that investing in digital currencies can be risky. The value of cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, and they are not backed by any government or central authority. Therefore, you should only invest what you can afford to lose. In conclusion, investing in digital currencies can be a rewarding experience if done correctly. Do your research, choose a reputable exchange, and invest wisely. Thank you for watching.